Hi everyone, my name's Eva Alexander, and I did my 60 hours with the Coastal Carolina Digital Marketing Department. So, a little introduction about it. So, I got this opportunity from Dr. Rocky. I really didn't know where I wanted to do it, and I was really conflicted. And I told him about it, and he said that I should do it with the digital marketing department here because he had a friend that was the supervisor there, and I told him that I wanted to be in the marketing field eventually with RSM. So I emailed the guy and he told me to meet with him in a week. So a week came around and I went to his office and he practically told me the responsibilities that I should be doing with him. The responsibilities were social media, pages of all sports at Coastal Carolina, interviewers with players and coaches, working with cameras and video cameras at the games, editing pictures, graphics and analytics, and setting up like for the sport games and taking down the equipment. And I would meet with him about 2 to 3 days, twice a week, and he would practically tell me if I was doing a sport game that week or if I was doing stuff in his office with him, like analytics and um, a digital marketing team that I worked for. Other people work for at Coastal Carolina, and you actually get paid for it. And it's not that much, but um, it's like minimum wage. And they all during the job they all have to make sure that like the sound system's good for the game and the music and all the video cameras are set up where they should be, and everybody has to communicate very well during this. um, some of the accomplishments that I achieved were improved personal skills, let's say communication skills, like communicating with everybody, making sure that everybody was on the right check, and leadership skills. I had to really come out of my shell and really take note of all the stuff I had to do with each task he provided me with. And I really had, if I had any questions, I had to ask him or I would mess everything up. And one thing that I learned was if I messed up or anything, like I had to improvise because you were live. So you couldn't just go back and redo everything. You had to just keep going and figure it out. And here's the flyer that I did. So this flyer provided people with like details on where and how they could find like additional information about sporting events at Coastal Carolina, and it also showed what social media like websites to go on to keep you updated with like games and schedules. And I really enjoyed working with the digital marketing team here at Coastal Carolina. I thought it like helped me gain a lot of knowledge in this field and made me want to do this in a future job. And I would really recommend this for people doing this internship because I can see so many people succeeding in the areas that I did also.